let's start. Chapter that we are doing today is Curious George and the Logic Challenge. Okay, so this is a story. We will start with the story and then we will see what questions we come across. Okay, so it says one bright and sunny morning, Curious George swung down from a tree. So Curious George is a monkey. He swung down from a tree, his tail curling around a branch as he spotted a young girl named Mia. So this girl sitting here is Mia. She was sitting on the park bench with her notebook. George, always curious, peeked over her shoulder. So George peeked over Mia's shoulder to see what she was writing in her notebook. Okay. So curious George asked Mia, "What are you working on?" He asked, his big brown eyes twinkling. Mia
Excuse me, ma'am,
said,
just a minute.
"Yes, ma'am."
The child who is logged in as Jyoti Deshpande, please mute yourself, and any other child, please mute yourself. Otherwise, you will not be able to hear what ma'am is saying clearly. Okay? Thank you, children.
Thank you so much for muting yourself. Thank you, ma'am. So, Curious asked Mia, "What are you working on?" Mia said, "I'm solving some logic puzzles for school." Okay. So, Mia is solving some logic puzzles. George's ears perked up. "Ooh, I love puzzles. Can I ask you some tricky ones?" So now George also knows the puzzles. So he wants to ask a few puzzles to Mia. Okay, Mia grinned and said, "Sure, try me. Ask me the puzzles. Let's see whether I can find the answer or not." So George searched his head and said, "There are three friends. The name of the friends are Ria, Kabir, and Anya. Each have a different pet. One has a dog, the other person has a cat, and the third person has a rabbit." Okay. Here are the clues. Now we have to find out which person has which pet. Okay, they have given me few clues to find out which person has which pet. Okay, so again, I'll just repeat once more. There are three people, Ria, Kabir, and Anya, and they have three pets: dog, cat, and rabbit. Each one has one pet. Okay, there are total three pets in total. Okay, so now it says Ria does not have the cat. So R, okay, I'm writing R for Ia. So Ria is not equal to cat because Ria does not have a cat now. So Ria and cat, they don't come together. Okay, then Kabir does not have a rabbit. Kabir does not have a rabbit. So if Kabir does not have a rabbit, means Kabir can have either a cat or a dog because Kabir does not have a rabbit. Okay. And the one who has a dog is not Ria or Kabir. And the one who has a dog is neither Ria nor Kabir. So who is left? If Ria and Kabir don't have the dog, so automatically who is left? Anya is left.
Anya.
So Anya has the dog. So A is equal to dog. Okay. And since Ria does not have a cat, means Ria has a rabbit. And
Yes.
since Kabir does not have the rabbit, means Kabir has the cat.
Cat.
So we found out the pets
Cat.
that all three of them have. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If there is anyone
Yes,
who did not understand, only they will talk. Okay. All those who understood, mute
yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
Hello,
All
I
those who
we have just
understood,
joined.
mute yourself.
Yeah,
Yes,
we have just
ma'am.
joined.
Okay. Okay. Let's move for the next question. So Mia also gave the same answer. Ria has the rabbit, Kabir has the cat, and Anya has the dog. Okay. George clapped. Correct. You are good at this. Mia is good at this because she gave the correct answer. So, what does logical reasoning help us with? It helps us to solve problem, make smart choices, and to navigate through daily life with most effectiveness. Okay, because these things we come across in our daily life, right? Let's say we get some clues and we have to find the answer to it, we can come across any time. So logical reasoning, studying and learning logical reasoning will help you with that. Okay. Okay. So, what all are the chapters? These are the chapters of logical reasoning. You have puzzles and games, then you have math and problem solving, decision making, social skills, reading and comprehension. Okay, daily problem solving. So, the question that we just now did comes under daily problem solving. Okay, the logical reasoning covers questions from all facets in our lives. Okay. Okay. Now, types of questions in logical reasoning. Okay. They help you develop your logical and analytical abilities and make your thinking sharper, faster, and more organized. Okay. And a lot of questions from logical reasoning come in the papers like NSO, IMO, and ICSO. Okay. It covers almost 30% of your syllabus. Okay. So today we will explore how to solve logical reasoning problems quickly using strategies that work best. So what is the main trick to solve logical reasoning questions? You have to solve the questions. Not only you have to solve the questions, but you have to solve them quickly, because you know when you appear for your Olympiad papers, the timing is limited, right? So the question solving should be quick. To solve the questions quickly, we need to know all the tricks. Okay. So that is why we need to learn the questions. You need to practice a lot of questions and learn the tricks so we can solve the questions quickly. Now, first question is from mirror image. Okay. What is a mirror image? So when the mirror is placed vertically, it is mirror image. Okay, let's say when you stand in front of a mirror, so the position of the mirror is like what? Vertical, no? So when the mirror is placed vertically, we get the mirror image. Okay, let's talk about the numbers, how the image changes in front of the mirror. Okay, normally we write 3 like this, right? This is how we write 3. But if we
Yeah.
have to give the mirror image, dear, please mute yourself. Everyone, please mute yourself. Can you hear other voices other than me? Then mute yourself. Okay. So this is 3, right? Now, when you stand in front of the mirror, the 3 will appear like this. Means it will change its side. First, this 3 was facing in the left side. Now, this 3 is facing in the right side. This is what happens when my numbers and alphabets, they appear in front of the mirror. Okay. Let's take another example. See, what about A? How will A appear in the mirror? A will appear exactly the same, because A looks same whether we look from the left side or from the right side. Right. So A will appear exactly same. Okay. Let's take another alphabet. Let's take 2. So see, normally we write 2 like this. It will change from left to right and start looking like this in front of the mirror. Okay. Or let's say 4. So normally this is how I write my 4, right? But when it is reflected in the mirror, the triangle of the 4 will come on the other side and it will start looking like this. Okay. So this is how my image changes in the mirror image. Now let's look here. We have the question here. It is asking the mirror image of 1, 3.
Please
Answer.
mute yourselves, everyone. Please mute yourself. Kriti, please mute yourself.
Jitivan, can you please mute yourself? The other people are not able to hear. Please mute yourself. Okay. Now, how will these numbers change? As I told you, if the number is facing towards the left, it will change towards the right. If the number is facing towards the right, it will change towards the left. So see, the circle of the 9 is this side. it will come this side. 7 is that side, 7 will come this side like this. Okay, 5 will become like this. And 3, we already saw how 3 will become. 3 will become like this. And 1 will become like this. So based on that, the correct answer is option number C. Is this clear to everyone? Only if you have a doubt, then you will speak. Otherwise, you please keep yourself muted. If anyone has a doubt, then you can talk to me. Oh, perfect. Yes,
Teacher?
tell me.
We don't make the letters or numbers upside down, right?
No, not in mirror image. In mirror image, we only turn them from left to right or right to left. Okay?
Okay.
Not upside down. Upside down comes in water image. When we come across a question of water image, we will discuss that. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, understanding the type of mirror, okay? Like mirror can be placed either on the right side or on the left side. In this question, the mirror is placed on the right side. So we have reflected it like this, okay? Let's say if my number was, just a minute. Let's say if my number was 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and the mirror was placed on this side, then what would happen? 9 would come first because 1 will be reflected here, then you will have 3 reflected here, then 5 will be reflected like this, okay? 7 will be reflected like this, and finally 9 will be reflected like this. In that case, the first alphabet will change to 9. So we need to understand where the mirror is placed, because whichever side the mirror is placed, whatever is the first number, that will be reflected towards the inside. Whatever is this will be reflected towards the outside. Okay, so that is why it is very important to know where the mirror is placed. Other than that, we also need to know whether the mirror is placed vertically or horizontally. Okay, again, that is very important. See, look here. This is how they are telling you. This is what I told you now. This is how it will be reflected. See, 0, 1, 2, all of these are changing direction now. This is mirror image. This is what happens in the mirror image. Why? Because mirror is placed vertically. See, this in the center, the line that you see, this is the mirror. Okay, Prateek, please stop sending the smileys, dear. You are disturbing everyone in the class. Okay, if you are not paying attention, at least let the others pay attention. Why are you doing like this? Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's move to the next slide then. Okay, here it says find the missing number. So now, can you see there are 3 circles here? The first circle, the second circle, and the third circle. Okay. Now there is some logic that is applied to each circle. Based on that logic, I have the numbers inside the circles. Okay. I have to find out that logic and then apply the same. Let's say this is circle A, circle B, and circle C. So I will check what is the logic applied to A and B, and then apply the same logic to C. Okay. So for starting, let's see what is the sum of the numbers or what is the total of the numbers. Okay. So if you look at circle A, I have the numbers 15, 12, and 6. Okay. If I add the 3 numbers, 15 plus 6 is 21 and 21 plus 12 is 33. So the total of the numbers in circle A is coming as 33. Let's look at the total of the numbers in circle B. See, 12 plus 8 is 20 and 20 plus 13 is 33 again. So in the circle B also the sum is coming 33. Now I know the logic, which means in circle C also the sum of the numbers should come 33. I already have 10 and 14. 10 plus 14 will give me 24. How much more do I need to make it 33? I will do 33 minus 24. Sorry, 33 minus 24. So 33 minus 24 will be 9. So I need 9 more to make this circle correct. So this question mark will be replaced with a 9.
The answer is B. B.
Yes, the answer is
The answer is
option
B,
B.
ma'am.
If anyone did not understand the question, then please unmute yourself and ask me. If you understood it, then no need to unmute yourselves. Okay, perfect.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
I am saying that in these all the numbers, when we have started from 6, we have plus 2 in that. Now at the last question, we have plus 1 in that.
Where do we have plus 2? From
Ma'am,
6.
if we can see the last number 15 plus 12 and 6.
Huh?
In this second one, 8 is the last.
There is no last, no first here. There is no last, no first in this, okay? In A, we are adding all the numbers. Now in adding, no matter whatever order you keep, the sum will come the same only. Whether I do 15 plus 12 plus 6 or 6 plus 12 plus 15, the answer will come 33 only. We are just adding all the numbers, okay? And in B also we added all the numbers, we got 33. So in 9 there were two numbers. In the option C there were two numbers given to me, 10 and 14. When I add 10 and 14, I'm only getting 24. But as I saw, A and B, the total was 33. So for C also I have to make the total 33. So when I add 24 plus 9, it will become 33. So that is why the missing number is 9. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is the question from number pattern. Okay. So what do we do in this question? We have to see these numbers in this circle, they are following a certain series or pattern. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of number pattern?
The number pattern means, see, this is this circle that you see. This is a pattern. Its pattern is made of numbers. Okay. What do we do in this? So these numbers, they are following a certain rule. We have to see what that rule is and then try to find this missing number. Okay. So what we will do is we will divide this circle into two parts. Why are we dividing this circle into two parts? Because I can see that the pattern on the top is different and the pattern at the bottom is different. On the what is the pattern on the top? What?
What is a certain rule?
That is what I'm telling you, dear. You have to listen to me. I am still discussing the rule. Okay, I'm not completed discussing the question. So if you look at the top half of the circle, the number is 24, then 25, then 26, and then 27. So what is the rule here? Next number is plus 1 than the previous number, right? 24 plus 1, 25, 25 plus 1, 26, 26 plus 1, 27. This is the rule, right? Now, what is the rule in the bottom? If you see, I have the numbers 318, then 325, then 332. So clearly, these are not plus 1, now, because if it was plus 1, then I would have got after 318, 319. But instead I have 325. So this is plus 7. Okay. And then again we have plus 7. That is why we have divided this circle into two parts. Because on the top it is following the rule plus 1. On the bottom it is following the rule plus 7. Okay. To find the next number, what we will do? This question mark or the missing number is coming in the lower part, right? In the lower part of the circle. The rule in the lower part of the circle is plus 7. So now again add plus 7. So 332 plus 7 will be 339. So my answer is option B. Is this clear? If anyone has a doubt, you can talk to me. Otherwise, please keep yourself muted. Is this clear? Okay. If someone is saying something, please quickly tell me so that I can move to the next question.
Ma'am, actually that is to getting this pattern, it is like trial and error, or like how it is, any technique was there?
How do we find the pattern, right?
Ma'am.
So it is always hit and try, dear. The first thing you will do is you will check the difference of the numbers, of what I have to add to get the next number. Okay, and if the pattern is decreasing, like let's say it is going like 28, 27, then you will see how much do I subtract to get the next number. Okay, normally it is addition or subtraction, but it is a hit and try. It is never fixed. They can change it. This time they have given addition, next time they will give a subtraction. This time they have given +1 and +7, next time they will give +2 and +5. They can change it. You have to check the numbers and see what pattern is being followed. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is B, no?
The answer is option B. Right. Okay. Let's move to the next question then. Okay, this is the next question. It says, Mahima is facing the bookshop. Okay, she takes 3/8 turn clockwise and half turn anti-clockwise. Then she'll be facing which direction? Okay, guys, this question is a little tricky. So please stay with me and try to understand what I'm saying. Okay, sorry, just a minute. Okay, first, if you look at this chart that is given to you here, it is divided into how many parts? 8 parts. Okay, in the center, Mahima is standing. Okay, I have one line here, one line here. So, total, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total, how many parts are there? 8 parts are there. Okay. Now, if you see, it says Mahima is facing the bookshop. So means this is where Mahima is facing. Can you see my arrow? Mahima is facing the bookshop. Okay. First, let's see what is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. All of you have seen that wall clock, the clock on the wall. Okay. The seconds needle, it moves in this direction now. From 1 to 2 to 3 like this, right? So the direction in which the needle of the clock moves, that direction is called clockwise direction. Okay? And opposite direction in which the clock does not move is called the anti-clockwise direction. Did you understand this? So clockwise direction will be like this.
Yes, ma'am.
It will move like this, like the needle of the clock, clockwise. And anti-clockwise means it will move opposite, like this, anti-clockwise. Did you understand this? Okay, so it says if she takes 3/8 turn clockwise. Now all of us have studied fraction, okay? 3/8 means total there are 8 parts. Out of these 3 parts she covers in the clockwise direction. Okay, so see, when she covers 3 parts in the clockwise direction, see, first part she will cover, she will come here, second part here, third part here. This is the clockwise direction. No? My clock moves like this. So after covering 3/8 in the clockwise direction, now Mahima is facing the school. Till here, first tell me, did you understand? Anyone has confusion in this 3/8?
Ma'am,
Out of 8, 3 parts, Mahima moves in the clockwise direction. Yes, tell me.
हम समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
Dear, see, this is how it is divided, right? Into 8 parts, right? Mahima is facing here currently, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
3/8 in the clockwise direction. Clock कैसे move करता है? ऐसे move करता है ना, in this direction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So total there are 8 parts. Okay. So 3/8 means out of 8, 3 parts she will move in the clockwise direction. So when she
Yes,
moves
ma'am.
one part, she will come here. Then second
Yes,
part,
ma'am.
she will come here. Then third
Yes,
part,
ma'am.
she will come here.
Here.
So now Mahima will be facing the school. Is this
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it says, and then half turn
Excuse me, ma'am.
anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means, see, first
Excuse
Mahima
me,
was
ma'am.
coming is, yes, tell me.
I cannot see the screen.
Option B.
Okay, dear. Okay. And dear, I've shared the screen. If you can't see the screen, you have to leave the class or refresh the class because everyone else can see the screen. So the problem is not from my end. Okay. Okay. Now this is clockwise, then anti-clockwise. So as I told you, anti-clockwise is opposite of clockwise. So first this was clockwise. Now Mahima is coming anti-clockwise, means coming back like this. Now how much does she turn anti-clockwise? Half the circle. So tell me, if she is right now here, half the circle means at first anti-clockwise is in this direction. Half the circle, if she moves, she will come till here. What is half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. Means she will cover 4 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts and come here. Okay. So after moving half in anti-clockwise direction, now finally Mahima is facing where? She's facing the market. Okay. Is this clear? So option C is the correct answer. Did you guys understand this? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. If anyone does
Yes,
not
ma'am.
understand, then tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
If anyone
Yes,
did
ma'am.
not, guys, listen to me, mute yourself. If anyone did not understand, then please unmute yourself and talk to me. Okay. Okay, next question is from clock and calendar. Okay.
No, I can't understand that question.
You did not understand this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will
Okay,
explain
ma'am,
it again.
maybe
Do
we
you
can
know?
come back to it in the end. Ma'am,
Okay,
maybe
I'll
we can
come
come
back
back
to
to
this
it at the
question in
end.
the end then.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Okay. If the day before yesterday was Friday, then what day will it be after tomorrow? Okay. So day before yesterday was Friday. So first we have today. Okay. Before today we have yesterday. And before yesterday we have day before yesterday, right? Day before yesterday was Friday. Day before yesterday was today. Friday means yesterday was Saturday and today is Sunday. Now, what day will be after tomorrow? So, if today is Sunday, tomorrow will be Monday, and after tomorrow, it will be Tuesday. So, the correct answer here is option B, Tuesday. If anyone does not understand the question, please unmute yourself and let me know.
I.
Okay. Moving to the next question. Okay, the next question is from the chapter Coding Decoding. In this, what we do, we code the words. Okay, so it is saying if mango is called apple, so code of the mango is given as apple to me. So code of mango is,
Apple.
guys, don't talk in between. Please let me explain.
Children, let ma'am explain. After that, when she asks you, you can answer. Okay?
If I ask you, then you please let me know.
Yeah, let ma'am tell you first.
If mango is called apple, so mango is called apple. Apple is called orange. Apple is orange. And orange is called grapes. So see, these are my original names. Mango, apple, and orange. And they have been coded as, mango is coded as apples. Apples is coded as oranges. And oranges is coded as grapes. Then it is asking, dash is the king of fruits. So the king of fruits is mango, but
Apple.
mango is
Apple.
quoted as
Ma'am, apple. Ma'am, apple. Ma'am,
but
apple.
that's wise.
Ma'am,
Again,
apple.
same thing. Again, same thing. Should we tell it again and again?
Ma'am, apple. Apple.
Did I ask? Did I ask? No, I did not ask, right? So
You
when I
can just raise
ask,
your hands if
then
you
you
want to
please
answer.
answer. Okay? When I ask, then you answer. Otherwise, don't unmute yourself. Till you are not asked to, don't unmute yourself. Okay? Okay, so since the king of the fruits is mango, but mango is coded as apple, so the correct answer here is option C. Please, everyone, mute yourself. No, man, it is not muted. Please mute yourself. And
Please
don't
mute
unmute
yourself.
till I don't. Yeah, don't unmute yourself till I ask. Okay.
If you have to answer, then you can just raise your hands. And ma'am will tell the name. Only
Yes.
that child
Whoever
will answer.
has to answer, I will. If you don't all of you don't start talking together. Okay. Just raise your hand. Okay. Now look here. Football means basketball. Okay. Basketball means soccer. Soccer means chess. And chess means this cricket ball here. Then dash is used to play chess. What is used to play chess? Chess means this red ball here, right? So this is used to play chess. Cricket ball is
Hand
the correct
raising.
answer. All of you have given me the answer as option C, which is the correct answer. Good job, guys. Correct.
Ma'am, answer is C.
Answer is C, dear. It is okay. Don't unmute yourself again and again. I'll let you know. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the next question now. Okay, there are few more questions we can practice. But before practicing, I will come back to the question that someone did not understand, right? This question was not clear. Just tell me who this question was not clear to. I will share the starting part in the end, okay? Who was this question not clear to?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am. Ma'am,
Okay.
I.
Now
Ma'am,
you pay attention.
I.
I'm explaining it again.
Ma'am,
Don't talk in between. Unmute yourselves. I'm explaining this again. Please pay attention. Okay. See, this image here, it is divided into 8 parts. 8 parts. See, 1, starting from the church, if you count 1, then second is school, third is garden, fourth is cricket academy, fifth is bus stop, sixth is market, seventh is bookshop, and eighth is temple. So this image here is divided into how many parts? 8 parts. Okay. So these are my lines. See, I've divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Total, it is divided into 8 parts. It says Mahima is facing the bookshop. Okay. So this is Mahima. Mahima is facing the bookshop currently. So here, Mahima is facing here. See, I have made an arrow. Why have I made an arrow? Because Mahima is facing to the bookshop. So that is my arrow. Okay. Now it says Mahima, she takes a turn 3/8 in the clockwise direction. Okay. First, let's see. Mahima is standing here. If she moves in the clockwise direction, means she will move toward this side. Okay. And if she moves in the anti-clockwise direction, means she will move to this side. So she is moving in the clockwise direction, means she is moving towards the red arrow. Okay. Clockwise direction is what? The direction in which the hands of the clock move. So the hands of the clock move like this, right? So that is why this is the clockwise direction. Okay. Now, if you look, it says she takes 3/8 turn clockwise. Okay. What is the meaning of 3/8? It is part of fractions. The total number of parts are written in the bottom. Total, how many parts are there? 8. So 8 is written in the bottom. And out of 8, how much does she move? She moves 3 parts. So that is why 3 is written in the numerator. So total number of parts are 8. Out of 8, she moves 3 parts. So 3 is written in the numerator, 8 is written in the denominator. Here also we have total 8 parts only if she moves 3 parts. Okay. When she moves first part, she will come till the temple. Then when she moves second part, she will come to the church. And when she moves third part, she will come to the school. So when she moves 3 by 8 in the clockwise direction, Mahima reaches the school. Now if I have to show Mahima's position again, now Mahima is facing the school. First tell me, is it clear till here? Anyone, any confusion
Yes,
till
ma'am.
here?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
No one
ma'am.
else, no one else say anything. If anyone has a doubt, then please unmute yourself and tell me. Till here, if anyone has a doubt, please unmute yourself. Tell me what is the doubt.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Dear, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm not asking you. I'm asking Sivadharika. You raised your hand, right? Do you have any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. I accidentally put.
Okay, okay, perfect. No problem. Okay. So 3 by 8, after moving 3 by 8 in the clockwise direction, now Mahima is facing the school. Okay. And then it says, and then she turns she takes half a turn in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So now in the anti-clockwise direction means now Mahima will move in the direction of this blue arrow. Okay, so means she is coming back from the school. How much? She takes half a turn. Okay, so if my total has 8 parts, what is the half of 8? 4, right? So means she moves 4 part in the anti-clockwise direction. So currently Mahima is standing at the school. When she starts moving 4 parts in the anti-clockwise direction, see 1, 2, 3, 4. So she will face the market. Is this clear? If anyone has any doubt in this, now
Yes, ma'am.
please ask me. Okay. So I'll stop this question here. Now someone asked me to show the first few questions because you joined late. These are the first few questions. Your first question was based on mirror image. Okay. I will again quickly explain mirror image in 1 minute. What happens in mirror image? The alphabet or the number, it changes from left to right or from right to left. So let's take C. See, C is written like this. But if I put a mirror here, C will change like this. Okay. Or let's see, C is written like this. If I put a mirror here, okay, then C will be like this. So see, it is either moving from left to right or from right to left, depending on the position of the mirror. This is what happens in mirror image. Now there are few alphabets that are symmetrical, so they don't change. Like 8. See, 8 is written like this. Whether you place the mirror anywhere, 8 will be written like this only. Because it is symmetrical from both sides, whether you look at it from the left side or from the right side, it looks exactly the same, so it will not change. Okay. Another thing is, let's see a few more letters or alphabets and how they will change. Okay. So let's talk about F. So see, F will change. F is looking like this. If I place the mirror here, the lines of F will come to the other side. Okay. Or if I place the mirror here, let's say F is written, I'm placing the mirror here. Then again, the lines of F will come to the other side. Did you understand how it will change? There's another thing for you here. You can also look at this. See? They are showing how all the alphabets will change. Small and big. See, B starts looking like a D because this is the mirror line. Please understand, in this, the mirror line is here in the center. This is the mirror line. Okay. So B is starting looking like D. D is starting to look like B. Can you see how the alphabets are changing? Did you understand this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
If
ma'am.
anyone has a doubt, then
Yes,
tell me.
ma'am.
Otherwise, thank you for your response. If anyone has a doubt, then please tell me. Okay, now let's do one or two new questions that we haven't done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Hello.
let's do one more question from
Hello.
calendars. Okay,
Hello.
yes,
Yeah, I wanted to ask, are these all from the SOF textbooks only, no? The portion?
yes, absolutely, ma'am. All from the SOF curriculum and the syllabus that the kids will have.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. So this is another practice question. It says, if today is Wednesday, what day will it be after 5 days? Okay, so very simple. There are 7 days in a week. Today is Wednesday. It is asking after 5 days. So
Ma'am,
one,
Monday.
2, 3,
Ma'am,
4, 5. After 5 days.
Ma'am,
Means I have
Monday.
to tell them which
Ma'am,
day.
Monday.
Ma'am, Monday.
Please
Guys,
mute
if you all
yourself.
are shouting, then I'll keep quiet. You can
Write your
continue
answer in the
shouting
chat box.
and I will keep quiet.
Tuesday.
Okay?
Write your answer in the chat box only once.
Checkbooks guys.
Okay. So Wednesday, then we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So it is asking what day will it be after 5 days? Okay. So after 5 days, we will have Tuesday. Is this clear? Why Tuesday? Because today is Wednesday. Okay, sorry, not it will be Monday only because we will count Wednesday also. We will count Wednesday as the first day. So it will be Monday. After 5 days, we will have Monday. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it
Yes,
says,
ma'am.
okay, let's
Ma'am.
look at the question. Yes, tell me.
We if a question like this comes, we count Wednesday also, right?
Yes, because after 5 days means, see, Wednesday to Thursday, 1 day. Thursday to Friday, 2 days. Friday to Saturday, 3 days. Saturday to Sunday, 4 days. And Sunday to Monday. So after 5 days will be Monday.
Okay.
Did you understand how we got Monday? Okay. Now it says LOP means
Yes, ma'am.
pen. TAP means book. ZUK means bag. Bag means rag. What is the code for bag? Okay. So what is the code that is given to me for bag? Just write the answer in the chat box. Don't shout. If you know the answer, you can write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, rag.
Correct. As I said, write the answer in the chat box. Bag is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move to the next question.
Ma'am, bag means rag.
Dear, okay, okay, right, correct answer. Next question. If tree is called flower, flower is fruit, fruit is called leaf, then what do we get from the apple tree? So we get fruit from the apple tree, but fruit is called leaf. So my answer
Ma'am,
will be,
leaf. Ma'am, fruit is called leaf.
dear, please put the answer in the chat box. Correct answer, correct answer. Okay. Okay, okay. I will stop the class here. Is there anything
Ma'am?
else? Ma'am, you want to add anything else?
Yeah,
Ma'am?
welcome children. I hope you
Okay,
had a
ma'am.
good
Yeah.
time in the reasoning demo class. Did you have a good time, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you find
Yes,
them
ma'am.
useful?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. That's good. So
Ma'am?
basically,
Ma'am?
yes, Ambika.
Ma'am, कल class होगा?
No, this is a demo class. We will be starting our reasoning classes from the 7th of May. Okay. So if you want to enroll in the classes, you can visit the website and you will be able to enroll in the classes. So we will be having 12 classes on reasoning, and we will be covering all the topics of reasoning in those 12 classes.
Okay.
Okay. So you can always enroll, and
Yes, ma'am.
and I would like to say one thing, reasoning is a very interesting subject, though it appears at times, oh God, it is so difficult, how will I solve it? But once you know the tricks, then once you have solved 5, 10, 15, 20 questions on a topic, it becomes very, very easy because you know what is coming. Okay, so I would suggest you should all listen, practice, and do, keep practicing reasoning. That really helps. Okay.
We will do the enrollment in WhatsApp.
No, you will go to the website sofolympiadtrainer.com, and there you can enroll for the online classes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, and do it quickly because we're starting
Thank you, ma'am.
classes from the 7th and we don't want to miss out on any class, right? Because every
Okay, ma'am.
we'll be taking
Yes,
classes.
ma'am.
Yeah. Any other question anyone has?
No,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, how long is the session?
1 minute, 1 minute, one at a time. Ma'am, someone asked something.
Ma'am.
Yeah. How long
Yes.
these classes go? Like starting
every
Okay, so classes will be a 1 hour duration class.
from
Yeah, they
7th
will be starting from 7th, and they will be conducted on all Mondays and Thursdays.
Monday, Thursday. And what are the timings?
Sorry, ma'am. Wednesday and Saturday. They will be
Wednesday,
every
Saturday.
Wednesday and Saturday. And like if your child is in class 3, for class 3, the timings are 7:15 to 8:15, and for class 4, it is 6 to 7.
Okay, class 3, it is, what is the time? 7:15.
7:15 to 8:15.
Okay, and that is which days you told?
It is Wednesday. It is Wednesday and Saturdays.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
And there will be 12 classes altogether.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So then that would be completed. 12 classes would be completed in 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay. And what would be covered? The entire syllabus as well as some test papers?
For the test papers, ma'am, we have a reasoning skill development program, which consists of questions based on reasoning topic wise. So that will be provided to you along with the online classes, and a lot of questions will be covered during the online classes also.
Okay. So we have to enroll for it separately, no? The test
Yeah,
papers.
you have to go to SOFOlympiadtrainer.com, and from there you can enroll for the online classes, ma'am.
No, for the test series for the last 3 years.
That comes along with the classes.
Okay. What is the total fees for this reasoning?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'll just have to see actually.